Welcome to Soul Society. In this video I will talk about how to stimulate the immune system with acerola cherry. Influenza is an infectious viral disease, usually winter, caused by myxovirus A, B, C, the most virulent being variety A. Contagion take place directly by coughing and sneezing. Incubation is 2 to 3 days. The fever is sudden, high, associated with headache, joint, and muscle pain, spasmodic cough. Rich in vitamin C, acerola cherry juice stimulates the immune system. It is ideal in cases of flu symptoms and fatigue. For that you need acerola cherry fruit or acerola cherry powder. Then, put the acerola fruit, a little water, and sugar in a juicer. Mix for a few minutes, and filter. Or, 1 teaspoon of acerola cherry powder, 500 milligrams. Finally, drink the juice once a day in the morning. Or take 1 teaspoon of fruit powder, once or twice a day, adults. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses. In the next video, I will talk about how to fight hemorrhoids with Chervil. Subscribe to Soul Society for more video and check out the description below to get more information. Thanks for watching.